las campanitas, duerme ya, suenan las campanas, ding dong dang,
Jonah, who is that?
ding dong.
Huh? Take your binky out and tell me who that is. Miguel? Who is that? Tata, yes, right. Who is that? Madrina? Take your binky out so I can hear you.
Who's that?
I don't know. Take your binky out so I can hear you. Go ahead. Take your binky out for 1 minute and tell me who that man is. Please.
Who's that?
Who is that? Who is it? Who's this?
Madrina.
That's Madrina?
Here.
Wait, who's this?
Miguel.
Miguel. And who's this? Who's this?
Who's that?
This one. Who's this one?
Tata.
Tata. That's your family? Have Tata sing you a song. Okay, Miguel. Yeah.
She needs his arm.
Okay, how about Madrina? Let Madrina sing you a song.
Okay. She's tired.
She's tired. Oh, okay. Okay, that's so nice. You want Miguel to sing you one more song and then I'll shut the camera off? No? You want to hold him? You love that, huh? Oh. He's your papa? Papa Miguel? Okay. Say ciao, Tata. Say adios, Tata.
Adiós, Tata.
Say te quiero.
Te quiero.
Te quiero.
Te quiero.
Okay.